Kasry Ecological Group is a national high-tech enterprise integrating software development, intelligent manufacturing, and technical services. Headquartered in Duzhou, Shandong, China, relying on the three core systems of customer-centric software R&D, intelligent manufacturing, and supply chain built by Kasry, it provides users with one-stop smart factory solutions for cutting, welding, drilling, environmental protection, and painting. Production management execution is the core of intelligent manufacturing. The SSMES Intelligent Factory Management Software and Cloud Control Bus System independently researched and developed by Kasry. Realize the interconnection of people, machines, and logistics, overturn traditional crafts, and break international technical barriers. Innovation is the constant pursuit of Kasry people. Good quality can build a good brand. First-class products come from superb craftsmanship. Every product produced by the company comes from high-precision processing mother machines and rigorous assembly process standards. The company strictly implements the ISO 9001 quality management system, self-made advanced equipment such as high-precision cutting, robotic welding, shot blasting, and painting. Keep improving is the belief of Kasry. Engineers provide on-site service, intelligent robots 24 hours online, and manual online services. Kasry takes full advantage of human-machine collaboration and relies on cloud platform, big data, new media, and other multi-channel remote online guidance to provide consultation, guidance, and installation for global users. Full-length professional services for pre-sales, in-sales, after-sales, and maintenance to escort the entire life cycle of the equipment. Aims to developing the world-class products, Kasry has invested in two major product R&D centers in Shanghai and Jinan. With more than 50 senior engineers, they are responsible for the research and development of new products and user product upgrades. The company independently researches and develops the core technology control system, cloud control system, nesting system, production management system, and realizes product language interoperability, code sharing, and component traceability. Overseas workshops, offices, and overseas warehouses. Kasry, with a global vision and strong technical force, the products had exported to over 160 countries and regions around the world. The user's word of mouth makes our brand. Our expectation is to become permanent friends with clients all over the world. Do the machine with heart. Get the world's sight. Kasry Ecological Group has always been adhering to the people-oriented, customer-centric business philosophy, abide by the guidelines, and innovation-driven. The people-oriented, harmonious environment allows employees to find a stage to display their talents and form a strong cohesion and centripetal force. The company attaches great importance to the cultivation of talents. The high-quality R&D team, production team, and marketing team have reserved strong support for the sound development of Kasry Ecological Group. Hope the products of Kasry can meet your work needs. We also sincerely invite you to visit China.